In 2030, urban life has intertwined seamlessly with nature, creating environments where skyscrapers sprout greenery and homes are integrated with living walls. Each morning, residents wake up to the sounds of chirping birds and rustling leaves instead of honking traffic, as parks have expanded into neighborhoods. Smart ecosystems regulate local temperatures, reducing energy consumption while improving air quality, creating a perfect harmony between technology and nature. People stroll through streets lined with edible plants, and community gardens thrive, fostering relationships as neighbors share their bounty. This future not only redefines aesthetics, but also promotes sustainability, urging citizens to reflect on their connection to the environment and the ethical implications of such advancements.